silver futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart for silver futures. We still remain in negative MACD, we did see it diverge, and we're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD and at oversold condition with the RSI as well. If we extend that further to the daily chart, we are about to approach to negative MACD territory, and we're also approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. We're currently testing right along the 200-day moving average, this green line, at a price of $25.87. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my trade position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.07. My sell target for it is at $24.28, and my stop loss is at $22.68. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.69, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 100-day moving average, this orange line. My sell target is at $23.48, and my stop loss is at $25.10. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 17% chance to climb between 0 to 3.3% and a 33% chance to climb between 3.4 to 6.8%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.4% and a 17% chance to fall between negative 3.4 to negative 6.8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.